If you have ever wanted to play GTA 5 on your laptop or computer, or if you are looking for an easy and safe way to download it, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to download GTA 5 the simple way so you can start playing without any problems. Let's get started. First thing you're gonna have to do is open any web browser, go to the search bar and type in Steam. Here you're going to open this link. You're gonna go to the top right and you're going to click on Install Steam. Here, click again. You're going to go to the Downloads folder here and open this file. Here, click on Install. Once Steam is installed, you're going to sign into your Steam account, but if you don't have one, you're going to create a new one by going here and clicking on Create a Free Account. And here you're going to fill in all these empty bars, then you're going to click here and click on Continue. Once your Steam account is created, you're going to go to the top left and select Store. Go to the search bar, type in GTA, then press Search. Here you're going to click this one. You're gonna scroll down and go ahead and purchase the game. This is how you can get GTA 5 on your computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.